How to create the blog archive page in Wix Studio. So to that, head over right here to your own Wix editor, and you should be able to see in here the actual pages by clicking on this pages icon. From there, click onto this add new page option, and let's click on this page only instead of dynamic page. And then from in there, it will generate a new page based on that. So let's click on this new page right here, and then you can just put it just below the blog pages right there. So let's drag it right here in order to add it just beside that. You can also rename it already. So for example, let's name this archive. And once you have renamed it, you can actually move it already. Click onto this icon right here and then drag it right here onto your blog pages. Now under that, it will appear under on your blog pages. Just continue putting that right here, or you can also utilize these three dots in order to add it right there and duplicate it from there. So you can edit out this page, the one you like, or you can actually design it blankly, or you can add it a layout. So that's how I create a blog archive page in Wix Studio. Hope we help.